Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Tailscale admin console for VPS access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the Tailscale admin console. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Tailscale site. You will see the login page for Tailscale. Locate the login button on the screen and click on it. Select the method you want to use for authentication. You can choose from Google, Microsoft, or GitHub depending on your account. After selecting a method, you will be redirected to the respective login page. Enter your credentials for the chosen authentication method. Once entered, click the Sign In button. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to grant permissions. Review the permissions requested and click Allow if you agree. After successful authentication, you will be taken to the Tailscale admin console. From here, you can manage your VPS access and configure settings. Explore the various options available in the console. Make sure to check your devices and user settings for proper configuration. You have now successfully authenticated to the Tailscale admin console. You can proceed to set up and manage your VPS access as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.